Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn any questions faster. First, let's focus on truly understanding the question at hand. Begin by carefully reading it, perhaps 2 or 3 times, to identify all keywords and core concepts. Break down any complex questions into smaller, more manageable parts. This helps clarify what information is explicitly requested and what might be implied, ensuring you address every aspect thoroughly before moving on to finding answers. Once you understand the question, it's time for effective research. Utilize reliable sources such as academic journals, textbooks, and reputable online platforms. Focus your search using the specific keywords you identified earlier to streamline the process. As you gather information, take concise notes, highlighting key facts, figures, and potential answers. This organized approach saves valuable time and ensures you collect all necessary data efficiently for your response. With your research complete, the next step is to organize your response effectively. Start by creating a clear outline to structure your answer logically and coherently. Begin with a strong introductory statement that directly addresses the question. Then, support your main points with compelling evidence, specific examples, and relevant data. A well-organized answer, perhaps with 3 to 5 key points, demonstrates a deeper understanding and makes your explanation much clearer. Finally, dedicate time to review and refine your answer. Proofread carefully for any clarity issues, grammatical errors, or spelling mistakes. Double-check that all parts of the original question have been thoroughly addressed and supported. A great tip is to practice explaining your answer aloud. This improves recall and fluency, helping you articulate your thoughts more confidently. This final step ensures your response is polished and accurate, ready for presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.